You might not say, oh, what does a gender lens have to do with building this new highway or this new pipeline or something? Well, there are gender impacts. When you bring construction workers into a rural area, there are social impacts, because they're mostly male construction workers. On the issues of foreign travelers, I take advice from our intelligence agencies and security agencies who are very, very alert to the challenges of returning terrorists or potential terrorists from the Middle East. We are very alert and responsible about keeping Canadians safe, keeping our communities safe, and it's something that we will never compromise on. And I can assure you, sir, you are very safe here in this room right now.